Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G72. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to Settings, enter Security, go to Screen Lock, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none and let's use each of the passwords to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, then PIN, next password, and in the end, pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock, and we have to simply scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. Last method of unlocking the phone is face unlock. Simply enter it and scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.